Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact Figma file and immediately enabling the Layers and Assets panels so you can see structure and components. Once done, make sure nothing is locked or hidden. Unlocked layers respond to search and selection. Use quick keys like F to frame a selected item and Control or Command plus / to reveal panels. This first step lets you move fast, because if you can't see an element in the layers list, you can't find or edit it efficiently. Now focus on targeted searching and filtering to narrow results. Press Ctrl or Command plus F and type a name, component, or node type. Figma highlights matches in the canvas and layers. Then apply filters, visible only, components, text, or frames to trim noise. Combine filters to zero in on exact items. When you find one, use right-click and select All with Same to catch similar instances across pages. This method saves time. Finish by inspecting and isolating the element to confirm it's the one you need. Open the Inspect pane to read properties and copy styles or specs. This explains how it's constructed. Isolate the layer with Shift plus click or switch to Outline View to see nesting and parents. If you still can't find it, make sure you checked Other pages, Hidden frames, or Plugin provided layers. Unlock any locked parents and rerun the search. This troubleshooting step fixes the common invisible or nested issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.